If you go by the name, it's sun screen. So it
Yes.
forms a screen on your face, which
Absolutely.
disappears after 3 to 4 hours. So you need to apply the screen again.
अगर आप सनस्क्रीन नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपका सन डैमेज जो टाइम पर होगा, इफ यू आर यूजिंग एन SPF 15, इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 15 टाइम्स.
तो पहले तो सनस्क्रीन लगाओ तो कम से कम टैन नहीं होगे.
भाई सनस्क्रीन से कुछ नहीं होता, मुंह चिपचिपा हो जाता है यार. कुछ ऐसा बताओ, कोई पैक बताओ जिससे हम फेयर हो सके.
You know how much percentage applies for the second time in India? You will be shocked to know.
Hardly any.
It's 9%.
कोई सनस्क्रीन की रील वायरल होती है तो आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ बैकलैश कि भाई ये लड़कियों का काम है, लड़की सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाते हैं. या फिर हमारे पुराने जमाने में तो कोई लोग नहीं लगाते थे, तभी भी तो स्किन कैंसर नहीं होते थे. यू माइट हैव सीन टाइगर श्रॉफ एंड जॉन अब्राहम प्रमोटिंग फेस वॉश.
वेलकम टू द सेकेंड एपिसोड ऑफ लेट्स गेट स्किन स्मार्ट विद शैली. आज हम सनस्क्रीन के बारे में बात करेंगे. लेट मी वेलकम अ वेरी चार्मिंग इंस्टा इन्फ्लुएंसर माज and Dr. Urvi, who's a very popular dermat who also practices in Dubai. And it's a great honor that they both are here with us. We'll talk about Har Din sunscreen. Yeah, sunscreen क्यों important है for in our daily life.
So, Dr. Urvi, I have a question. Like, there are so many sunscreens in the market. Like, how do I figure out which one to buy?
So that's one of the most common questions that we face. So the only thing that we have to consider is it should be a broad spectrum sunscreen जिसमें UVA and UVB दोनों की protection हो. It should be not allergic. Whenever you apply, it should not irritate your skin. That's the second. It should have a PA triple plus. So PA triple plus is protecting you from UVA radiation, and there is something called as SPF, which is actually protecting you from UVB. So just consider these 4 factors, and it is good to go.
Like, how do I understand that UVA और UVB जो भी है, like ये किस तरीके से डैमेज कर सकती है? Like what exactly is the difference? इसके डैमेजिंग पावर?
Okay, so the very simple explanation to UVA and UVB is consider UVA. A is an anti-aging. So UVA radiations are basically affecting on the very lower layer of the skin.
Okay.
So that is, if you're not applying it, the sun rays, they're going to damage the elastin and the collagen from the body, and it is going to cause aging very fast. The second is UVB. Now just consider B as burning. So if you're not applying UVB, the only problem that's going to happen is you're going to tan a lot, you're going to burn a lot. So that is the difference between UVA and UVB.
A different skin tone has different effects
Yes,
of
yes. So whenever skin tone is much lighter or fairer or whiter, they are at more chance of having
They are more
riskier chance of having the skin cancer than the melanin, because we basically have a little higher melanin.
yeah.
So that is protecting us from the skin cancer. But that does not leave us from the
That
skin
we should
cancer.
not
We
use
should
her.
not use it. Major reason why we should all be using a sunscreen is to protect us from the skin cancer. So that is how it was introduced.
That is entirely true actually.
Yes, absolutely. So we are at 95% risk if we are not using a UVA and a UVB protection. It's mainly the UVA radiations 95% times which can cause skin cancer. We as Indians are much better in it because our color of the
Melanin, I
skin
think, yeah.
is, we have a little more melanin.
Basically, it depends on the ethnicity also. For example, like Americans are more prone to skin cancers rather than Indians because they are much more whiter.
Yes, absolutely yes.
And also depends on the UV index. Like Australia has a higher UV index
Yes,
because
it
skin
definitely
cancer is
matters.
more there in Australia.
So it definitely matters that which layer and which tropical environment we all are in,
Right.
and how bad is the radiation.
Right.
It's usually the same. It's just a little bit difference in the wavelength, but on an ideal way, we all should apply wherever we are.
Like SPF, as you said, it's a sun protection factor. I have seen 30, 50, 65 now. There are certain 75 also. I have seen that 30 is the minimum. So how we are understanding that 30 minimum hai ya?
No, so 30 is not the minimum. SPF 15 is the minimum.
Okay.
And जब हम SPF बोलते हैं, it does not mean कि वो कितना strong है और mild है. वो कितना protection factor है. It is
Okay.
only protecting you from UVB radiations. तो अगर SPF 15 है, तो SPF 15 अगर आप सनस्क्रीन नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपका सन डैमेज जो टाइम पर होगा, if you are using an SPF 15, it is multiplied by 15 times.
Okay, that's
That,
a good.
yes,
that
so
is very
it's
good.
it's how it is used, but actually हमें इतनी knowledge नहीं है Indian population or anywhere that we consider SPF 15 as lighter and SPF 50 and 100. You can go to 100 SPF
Okay.
also. It's just the matter of 15 to 20 minutes that it differentiates from 30 to 50.
So who should use SPF 50? Who should use SPF 80 or 100?
So SPF 30 is a good SPF. We can start with SPF 30. People who are more prone and they are not reapplying the sunscreen should start with SPF 50.
So earlier at Fixerma, we were selling more SPF 30.
Yeah.
Last year, like the sales were really huge of
I
SPF 30, but this year we have seen a sharp rise in SPF 50. I think people are more aware, or maybe they are thinking SPF 50 is going to protect them more.
So usually between the SPF in the studies, SPF 30 and SPF 50 में SPF 30 is protecting you somewhere around 96.4% and SPF 50 is approximately 98%.
Oh,
That's the
That's
only
the
difference. And other than that, अगर हम टाइम को लेंगे तो अगर SPF 30 आपको रीअप्लाई करना है 2.5 घंटे में, SPF 50 आपको रीअप्लाई करना है 3 घंटे।
So reapplying the sunscreen is also must. Like ऐसा नहीं मैंने एक बार लगा ली तो फिर I am free for 4 to 5 hours.
Yes, reapplication is one of the most important thing because हम जब sunscreen लगाते हैं, so there are 2 types of sunscreen. One is a chemical and one is a physical. जो हमारे market में mostly chemical sunscreens
हाँ,
use हो रही है, they get absorbed in your body.
Okay.
So after some time, the value protection वो इतना ज़्यादा strong
it
नहीं
disappears.
रहता।
Yeah. So that's why you need a reapplication, because if you go by the name, it's sun screen. So
Yes.
it forms a screen on your face, which
Absolutely.
disappears after 3 to 4 hours. So you need to apply the screen again to protect your
like
skin.
those mineral sunscreen, for example, as you're talking about. So I have read it somewhere that have zinc oxide and titanium oxide. So that is the reason we get white cast of
Yes.
it.
Yes.
So actually white cast is not bad. हम लोगों को ऐसा इस तरीके से like on Instagram या on social
Social
media we have
media.
seen कि white cast बहुत खराब चीज है.
Yes.
But actually वो जिंक की वजह से या टाइटेनियम की वजह
Right.
से उसका white cast होता है.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So जब हम white cast की बात करते हैं, पहले हमारे लिए ये जानना जरूरी है what is mineral and what is chemical
Yeah.
sunscreen. जो mineral है उसको आप mineral बोल सकते हो, उसको आप physical बोल सकते हो, उसको आप inorganic बोल सकते हो. They are marketed in ways.
Yeah.
Basically, physical sunscreen are much more better than the chemical sunscreen.
We used to sell physical
Yes.
sunscreen before, but thanks to social media,
White
they
cast.
made white cast such a villain कि we had to pull off that product because it wasn't selling also.
Yeah.
So it is also so safe that we use in the children's more than 6 months.
Okay.
The only thing that is prescribed for children's more than 6 months is to start with a physical sunscreen.
And zinc oxide is actually a natural product because it's
It's a mineral.
it's a mineral and it's very safe on skin. Besides protecting you from sun, it also protects you from itchiness or burning and all.
Yes.
So it's
Yes.
very good.
So when we talk about a mineral sunscreen, titanium and zinc are both the minerals.
Yeah.
And जब हम बात करते हैं mineral sunscreen की, the idea is they are going to reflect the sun.
Right.
They are going
right.
to reflect
Reflect
it.
it, yeah.
It goes back. They are
Yeah.
basically doing that. But when we talk about the chemical,
Absorption.
there is an absorption. They transfer into the heat energy, and it is there on
Yes.
it.
Yeah.
So that is the reason why. But I don't know why they say about the white cast. It's sometimes good and you have to see a lot of sports players.
Sports people, they all
Lot
wear
of
that. Yeah.
sports players use that mineral sunscreen.
They literally wear a white mask
white
on their
mask.
face. Yeah.
So more the white cast, better the protection is too.
That's a very good thing. Actually, breaking the norms on social media, it's very good. White cast is actually a good thing then.
And you can actually nowadays prevent white cast. I guess Sherry must be knowing the best. There are nanoparticles of zinc and titanium
Micronizing
oxides. And
oxide.
yes.
We are using micronizing oxide. Yeah.
So now there are better formulations and preparations.
But still, it gives you
little bit.
a bit of a white cast. But you know what? Social media has made it's like no white cast, no white
That
cast.
eventually fades away also. ना आप application के बाद थोड़े टाइम बाद अगर blend करोगे तो वो चला भी जाता है. ऐसा नहीं कि it will stay.
नहीं, but थोड़ा सा white रेसिड्यू तो रहता है फेस पे.
थोड़ा तो रहता है. So it's good now when you're going on a beach holiday, you should apply that.
Yes,
That will always be a better protection. So Maz, I have a question for you today.
Sure.
Do you think men in general prefer to choose a sunscreen and wear it? Like, how frequently have you met people who are using them?
If you say I have met 10 people, I think only 3, especially men, only 3 will apply sunscreen once a day and 1 will reapply it. That is the situation of men's skincare, especially in India. Because आज भी उनको यही लगता है कि सनस्क्रीन जैसी चीज लगाना इट्स लड़कियों का काम है. उन लोगों की ये चीज समझ में नहीं आती है कि सनस्क्रीन सबको प्रॉब्लम
सबको हो सकते हैं. करेक्ट.
यूवीबी सबको प्रॉब्लम करेंगी. सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं लड़कों की स्किन को प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेंगी बिकॉज उनकी स्किन थोड़ी जो आजकल एड्स में दिखाया जाता है थोड़ी हार्ड होती है तो उनमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
Actually the reality is that sunscreen is very very important. I am like telling people 2 साल हो गए 3 साल हो गए लगाओ सनस्क्रीन यार. बट एज एंड व्हेन जब भी कोई सनस्क्रीन की रील वायरल होती है तो आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ बैकलैश कि भाई ये लड़कियों का काम है, लड़के सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाते हैं. या फिर हमारे पुराने जमाने में तो कोई लोग नहीं लगाते थे, तभी भी तो स्किन कैंसर नहीं होते थे. अब उनको ये समझाना इतना डिफिकल्ट.
अब होते थे कि नहीं होते थे कैसे मालूम है.
अब
डेटा नहीं है.
ओजोन डिप्लीशन, देयर आर सो मेनी रीजंस जिसकी वजह से यूवीए यूवीबी का एक्सपोजर बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है. बट it's very difficult, but now I'm seeing the change ke with the passage of time people are now at least buying it rather than not like reapply तो नहीं कर रहे इतना, but at least खरीद तो रहे, एक बार तो लगाते हैं. but फिर वही बात है कि reapply करने में क्वेश्चन आता है भाई सनस्क्रीन तो ले लिया यार, अब reapply हम कैसे करेंगे 2 घंटे बाद. ऑफिस में लगाने में शर्म आती है. there is a guy, let me tell you very clearly, ये स्कूल का है वो, he was like कि भाई मैंने सनस्क्रीन ले ली है, मैं लेके चाहता हूँ, बट एक बार मैंने क्लास में लगा ली तो मेरे बच्चों ने बहुत मजाक उड़ाया. तो मैंने कहा तुम अगर उस मजाक को एज अ मजाक इफ यू विल टेक इट अपना देन वो और उड़ाएंगे. जस्ट टेल देम कि कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. फ्रॉम अ साइंटिफिक बैकअप यू कैन टेक सो मेनी रेफरेंसेस ऑफ
वो भी लगाना शुरू करेंगे.
तो इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग इट क्या रिया है मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे, तो उससे बेटर है कि आप उन्हें बताओ कुछ.
करेक्ट.
मैं अगर ऐसा होता तो आई हैव नॉट बीन इन्फ्लुएंसर इन दैट फील्ड बिकॉज लोग तो कुछ कहते ही हैं. इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक दैट. बट यार सनस्क्रीन इज द मस्ट part for skin care.
Yeah, if you ask me for any one thing that you should follow is sunscreen.
Wear a sunscreen, very important.
Dr. Urvi, like, is there any rule to apply sunscreen? Like, कितना amount होना चाहिए?
Yeah, so the simplest rule to apply a sunscreen is a 2-finger rule.
Okay.
So you just take your index finger and middle finger, you take the entire line, make an entire line. पूरा line बनाकर half you should apply on one side and another half you should apply on the other side. That's the 2-finger rule method.
Okay.
Yeah.
अब एक क्वेश्चन और है, do we have different sunscreens for face and body या फिर same से काम हो जाता है? Because I have seen brands marketing body sunscreen अलग से, face sunscreen अलग से. तो
honestly, Maz, there are lot type of sunscreens in the market. Lotions, sprays, gels, powders, oral medications, everything is in sunscreen. It depends because body में spray is very easy to use.
Yeah, easy application है. So we have body lotion. So I think it's depends on the quantity also. So we have a bigger pack so that people feel it's easy to apply because once they see a small tube, they think it's only for the face or they think generally it's going to finish. But if you step out of India, big packs of sunscreen are very common.
I think वो बीच पे बैठे होते हैं बड़ी
right. तो अभी हम लोग उससे थोड़ा दूर है. अभी let them teach to apply on face. I think slowly we'll move to body. It's also important part of
India. We don't sunbathe.
Sunbathe और मुझे वही awareness की problem लगती है because like he was asking this question about sunscreen in men. So I think every 3rd or 4th man in India has pigmentation problem. They have these dark round cheeks here. And they have a pigmented forehead, which is very common. But if you tell them it's pigmentation, they don't understand. And it happened because they were not applying sunscreen or they are not taking care of their face.
So I have seen this in men. And they will come after a very long period of time.
Yes,
it doesn't happen overnight. So that becomes a problem. That awareness is one of the bigger picture.
So like as you were saying about this, on a daily basis, I think हर एज ग्रुप के जितने भी लोग होते हैं मुझे कमेंट करके पूछेंगे, डीएम करके पूछते हैं कि भाई वी आर हैविंग फोरहेड पिगमेंटेशन या टैनिंग, हम क्या करें? एंड आई सिंपली से स्टार्ट यूजिंग अ सनस्क्रीन. नहीं भाई सनस्क्रीन से कुछ नहीं होगा, वो हमारा फेस ऑयली कर देगी, हमारा फेस बहुत चिपचिप हो जाएगा. आप कुछ घरेलू नुस्खा लाइक जैसे कोई हम मुल्तानी मिट्टी लगा ले या कुछ लगा, मैंने इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, आई हैव सेड इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स. आप कुछ भी लगा लो, नो मैटर कितना भी अच्छा आप स्किन केयर फॉलो कर रहे हो, बट अगर आप सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगा रहे हो तो वो सब रिवर्स है, कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. लेकिन वही कि आज इंडिया में इट्स नॉट दैट इजी स्टिल कि आप लोगों को समझा सकोगे सनस्क्रीन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
So, Mas, that's a very good thing. But I guess, Shali, you'll agree, there are types of sunscreens. There's a gel-based sunscreen for an acne.
Yeah, we have different kinds. I mean, we have actually a huge portfolio of sunscreen with us. We have for acne-prone skin, we have for oily skin, we have for sensitive skin, we have for normal to dry skin, we have body lotion, roll-on, sunscreen for lips.
Stick
So,
also,
yeah, sticks. So, plenty of choices. और अभी हमने कुछ आई थिंक few months back we launched colored sunscreen. So it's quite popular actually in US, Australia, even in Thailand. Even men, they wear a pink or a orange sunscreen. It's a physical sunscreen to be, yeah, it's just colored. It's a physical sunscreen. So if they are wearing a orange shoe or a orange t-shirt, they really love to flaunt it. They are not shy about it. Like, you know, different teams, cricket teams or swimming teams, they all wear colored. If they are wearing a costume which is orange or a yellow, they'll wear a yellow sunscreen. I think we are a little far from that, but definitely it's going to come back to it. Yeah. So हमने we actually launched very interesting colors which are more I think more accepted in India. So it was our flag. So one was our tricolor flag and one was blue. Because cricket India,
that's
Indian team, so blue. So but I think the white was selling quite well, but the colored were not taken so well.
So, Shelly, what do you think? Like, when you have all this ranges of sunscreen, you must be having certain people who opt for sunscreen. Are kids also using sunscreen these days?
So we are actually trying to educate through social media, through our posts and blogs, etc. But I think kids are using only when a dermat is pushing the moms to buy a sunscreen for kids and telling them that's important. And some moms who are quite aware, they buy. But we don't see a very high, you know, this thing in sales of kids sunscreen still.
Still, because I think that's a very good question. Even मेरे घर पे भी I have seen like I have my nephew and niece. I have said to my bhabhi to like start using sunscreen. She was like कि तो बच्चे हैं कहीं कोई रिएक्शन ना कर जाए. And I was like there are certain sunscreen जो बच्चों के लिए ही बनी होती है, क्योंकि वो स्कूल जाते हैं, प्ले ग्राउंड, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स, दे विल गेट टैन. अभी से डैमेज हो जाएगा, आप अभी से प्रोटेक्ट करोगे तो आगे तक काम आएगा. बट स्टिल ऑल दीस पीपल हैव दो दोष इन स्पाइट ऑफ, यू नो, पढ़े लिखे हैं उसके बाद भी कि डॉक्टर ने नहीं कहा है अभी तक तो हम क्यों लगाएं, व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ इट.
But in that case, I would like to highlight that I have started having patients, जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, they are like, doctor, what should we apply?
That is very
So
good.
that's a very good transition that we see in our population.
So basically that is, here it's very urban in that way. वो फिर urban to, you know, rest of the countries के different हो जाता है. फिर that totally depends on how
Yeah, but
people
so I have been practicing since long. But it has drastically shifted in this 10 years.
Huge shift.
Very
Because
huge shift.
with me, it's almost 14 years
Yes.
now, and I've seen a huge change. You know, a paradigm shift. I'll say in last 14 years. 14 years back, if you would write certain products to a customer, she'll use it, she or he, and then that's it. They don't follow any regimen. But now, people are so aware, they really want to buy, they want to get into skincare. But again, I think it's kind of grilled into Indians. उन्हें लगता है कि beauty products are similar to skincare. वो अभी भी उसको differentiate नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
That's
Cosmetics and skincare products are different.
इसमें एक फैक्टर और भी है, like I like to add up. आपने have you seen the ads of the skincare products also in the market? These people take girls only in that way. आप most अब क्योंकि अब जैसे हमारा paradigm shift हो रहा है as you were saying, तो now we should be much more into wider spectrum. हमें लड़कों को भी लेना चाहिए उस चीज में, because वो चीज हमें indirectly portray करती है यार ये तो लड़कियां ही यूज कर रही हैं. I have not seen any brand as such using a guy. Instagram पे these people are promoting it, but when it comes to TV, वो आज भी लड़कियों को ही यूज करते हैं, like girls are using sunscreen and all, cosmetics हो चाहे skin care हो. I have not seen any guy as such because आज भी TV is the biggest medium जो मतलब हम लोगों के पास भी है privilege, they are underprivileged people also, उनके लिए TV is the biggest medium, वो आज भी वही देखते हैं. तो आज भी जो लड़कों को वहाँ पे accommodate नहीं कर रहे हैं, they are not giving advertisement to the guy.
Yeah, I'm getting your point.
That is causing a lot of taboo in that way. कि लड़कों को तो यूज करनी ही नहीं है फिर.
Right.
But then that is a difference, you know. We all use face wash.
Yeah.
नहीं, बट मुझे बिल्कुल सही लग रही है मास्क की बात.
Actually, there is a reason. You might have seen Tiger Shroff and John Abraham promoting face wash. Have you ever seen any actor also promoting sunscreen?
Sunscreen है.
That's true.
नहीं, पर हम लोगों ने अभी क्रिकेटर्स के साथ बनाया है, so that at least sports में जो people who are playing or outdoor sports में they should start using sunscreen.
Yeah, that is a very good start from here, and I really hope कि ये चीज pick up हो, because cricketers को तो इंडिया में it's like next to God, तो I really hope कि
And anyways, because ये outdoor है, तो the radiation exposure is also
much more है.
You know, these days ये सिर्फ outdoor sports के लिए नहीं है sunscreen. It is also for the infrared light.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
also
People
for
are
the blue light.
all the time you're on the phone.
And
Yeah.
laptops. People
Yes.
who are in front of the laptop should also
Right,
wear a
right,
sunscreen.
absolutely right.
Indoors also should wear a sunscreen.
No, agree, completely agree.
Yeah.
और एक और मुझे मैंने जो देखा है इंडियन कस्टमर्स में, अभी भी दे कंसिडर स्किन केयर एज अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी, टाइम. और मुझे तो ऐसा ही दिखना, आई एम हैप्पी लाइक दिस. अरे if you can fix some of your skin problems, I am not saying हम आपको माधुरी दीक्षित बना देंगे या we'll make you Aishwarya Rai. You will be like the way you are. I am just saying, if you have pigmentation, if you have skin tags, if you have acne marks, that can be cleared and you will have a healthy skin. अगर आपका कोई भी complexion है, कैसा भी skin tone है, I am not saying we'll make you fairer, but I'm just saying कि we'll make it a very healthy glowing skin. That's the whole idea.
That is very good actually. लेकिन आज भी आप notice करोगे एक बात, I don't know why people have this obsession with fair skin. I have seen a lot, हर age का, हर gender का, they want fair skin. They want भाई गोरा कर. I have seen simple comments like भाई गोरा करवा दो, कुछ ऐसा product बताओ, गोरा करवा दो. This is from the from the villages and all, and जो लोग urban भी है वो लोग भाई please suggest anything that can make us a little bit fairer.
हाँ, तो पहले तो सनस्क्रीन लगाओ तो कम से कम टैन नहीं होगे.
I always भाई सनस्क्रीन से कुछ नहीं होता, मुंह चिपचिपा हो जाता है यार. कुछ ऐसा बताओ, कोई पैक बताओ जिससे हम फेयर हो सके. तो स्टिल दीस पीपल हैव दैट आइडिया कि पैक से हम फेयर हो जाएंगे. सनस्क्रीन इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, वही वाली बात है आज.
So a lot of pigmentation issues and fine lines, wrinkles and anti-aging you can prevent by using a sunscreen. It makes a lot of difference if they are doing that.
I have myself estimated, like I have started using sunscreen 6-7 years back, like properly. I was having forehead pigmentation a lot क्योंकि कॉलेज वगैरह जाते थे, बाइक वगैरह से. Since the time I've started using sunscreen, I've seen a lot of difference. तो अब I'm like, अगर मैं बाहर भी जाता हूँ इतनी गर्मी में भी, तो I'm not guilty of it कि चलो मैं जल्दी टैन नहीं होऊंगा. I have a protection with me.
Right.
It's a kind of sun protection. तो वो आप कितना avoid नहीं कर सकते. You have to go out on certain times, and it's very good to take care of your skin. As you doctor said also कि skin cancer तक से बचा रही है, तो then why not to use it? It's a very simple thing that we can do.
Yeah, definitely.
So one of the thing is UVA rays जो होते हैं that goes and breaks your collagen and elastin also. So in the longer run, you will be aging faster.
Wrinkles.
And having wrinkles on the skin.
No, they also
picture also I think.
हाँ, एक तरफ जो
वो there is a lady वो एक side पूरा
yes,
wrinkles
so
है.
actually it dehydrates your skin.
Collagen and वो break हो जाता है.
So imagine when you are feeling thirsty in sun, so your skin is also feeling the same. It's also feeling very thirsty. So that's how you can understand sunscreen is so important. It keeps it hydrated because again it's screening it from the sun.
Because sun is actually in a way burning also, it's burning the skin, so that is the reason. तो reapplication. अच्छा एक बात और पूछनी मुझे आपसे, like potency की अगर हम बात करें तो we have, as you said, spray sunscreens भी हमारे पास available हैं, like we have lotion sunscreens also. is there a difference in potency of spray sunscreen और lotion? Spray मतलब पूरा अच्छे से लग नहीं पाएगा तो कुछ बचेगा?
नॉट रियली. जो स्प्रे होता है वो यूजुअली बॉडी में यूज करेंगे. हम फेस पे इसलिए नहीं यूज करेंगे बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू इनहेल इट.
Okay.
And chemical sunscreens are usually in spray formulations, right? So it can irritate the eyes. It can, and for the kids or for the young people, the inhalation happens. So that is not good for your health. So that is the reason. But there is no potency. Potency is when अगर किसी पे PA triple+ है या उससे ज़्यादा है या SPF factor है, they will have the same potency. It can be gel, cream, moisturizer, lotion, any form.
Okay. That's because रहता है like I think read it somewhere कि spray sunscreen या powder sunscreen इतनी potent नहीं है. That is the reason I thought of asking it.
So
from
powder sunscreen वो बन ही नहीं पाएगा इतने stronger potency पे. So
Okay.
that's why it's a little milder version of it.
Okay.
But powder sunscreen is always used on top of the makeup most of the times. It's just not directly used. It's a second application.
second application.
First application will always be a cream or a gel, and then जो हम second application होते हैं basically for the females because they have put so much of makeup on and they don't want, they can use a stick sunscreen, they can use a gel base, or they can just use a powder to tap it on. So that provides very easy access for the female.
And higher the SPF, actually, the sunscreen becomes very thick.
Yes.
And it's not, it's thick and not easy to apply. उसका absorption. हाँ. तो अब SPF 80 चाहिए, 100 चाहिए, and you are thinking it will behave like SPF 30. It won't.
It won't.
And I think it will be costlier also, no?
It's very costly. It's very costly for us. So that's the reason. Because if you have to, otherwise you have to reduce the SPF factor in it.
Right.
So generally the testing is done. And there's one more interesting thing I should tell you why it's called SPF 40 or 50+. That plus sign has a meaning.
Yeah.
So whenever we go for SPF testing, as sun protection factor testing, it's never the right one. So 39 आता है, 40 आएगा, 42 आएगा, 43 आएगा.
Right.
तो जितनी बार हम उसको टेस्ट करेंगे वो चेंज आता है. तो इसीलिए भी राइट प्लस. So definitely it has to be plus. 50
That is
plus,
actually
तो
very
51, 52 होना चाहिए.
That's
Because you cannot give the exact amount of it.
Right. So whenever we go for the testing, generally it varies.
तो
That's the reason.
मतलब मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप पूरा स्किन केयर ना भी करो, if you're applying sunscreen, वो आपको एंटी एजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज देगा, एंटी टैनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज देगा, कैंसर से भी बचाएगा. तो आप एक सनस्क्रीन ले लो, दैट इज ऑल. अगर आप ज्यादा, स्पेशली फॉर गाइज, अगर आप और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो तो यू कैन डू दिस बेयर मिनिमम. तो सनस्क्रीन इज द बेयर मिनिमम of skin care, we can say like
See,
that.
for the skin, the essential 3 things is cleansing, जो आप फेस वॉश करते हैं,
CTM.
and moisturizing, आप उसको नरिश कर रहे हैं, and protection is sunscreen. The 4th layer can be anything which is, किसी को pigmentation है, किसी को anti-aging है, किसी को something है, so that is your treatment area. But other than that, these 3 things I guess everybody should follow.
Yeah,
that's the most important.
So I have one question, like as you said about moisturizer. If you are using sunscreen, then also it's needed for us to use moisturizer.
It depends on which kind of sunscreen you're using.
Okay.
For acne people, जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा pimples है, they will use a gel-based sunscreen.
Okay.
They or they will use a moisturizer which has aqueous base.
Yeah, aqueous base.
So that is important in them. But if say there are excellent formulations, I guess Shelly has one where you have a moisturizer along with the sunscreen.
Yes, we have.
So when you do that, you absolutely don't need a moisturizer. Say if you are staying in a humid place like Mumbai or where there is a lot of sweaty things, you can avoid and ditch the moisturizer if you have a sunscreen with moisturizer.
That's
So the body lotion which we have made, it's actually 2 in 1.
Exactly.
So if you have applied that, you don't need a moisturizer then.
that is actually very good कि आप एक ही प्रोडक्ट लेके आपका it's easy to carry also in that way.
Right.
Because ऐसा होता है कि I got a lot of questions regarding that also कि हम अगर moisturizer skip कर दें and we are just using sunscreen also due to any certain reasons तो I do say always कि यार cleansing and moisturizing and sunscreen is bare minimum. But if you have a choice, अगर आपको फिर भी moisturizer sunscreen में choice करना पड़े, then I'll always go with sunscreen because at least आप को सन प्रोटेक्शन तो मिल ही जाएगी. आप हाइड्रेशन तो पानी पी के भी ले सकते हो. दैट
Yeah, Maz, especially in men. I guess they usually most of them have more an oily kind of a
Yeah,
skin.
yeah.
So for them, it's just a sunscreen should be
Sunscreen.
good enough.
Yeah, that is a valid point because it's very difficult for me or for any other influencer to make
To
the
use
guy
everything.
understand to use 3-4 products in one go.
नहीं नहीं, it's very important मुझे लगता है
Yeah.
boys के लिए, because we see a lot of boys in our office also, they have acne marks,
Yeah.
pigmentation, so I feel sad because they should have used the right products actually at an early age when they were in their teens. तो ये नहीं होता उनके साथ, because in marks you are very, I mean, you know कि it's not easy to get rid of marks
Not at all.
later on when they get deep into your skin. So these marks are not easy. You have to go through a procedure and a long time. It takes a long time. But I think it's very important for boys also, and it's I think it's about parents also. Now they should also ask their boys to take care of their skin rather than just
Parents are not like if you talk about new parents, that I can say these people are saying, but if you're talking about old parents, I think these people are also not very much into skincare themselves. How वो किसी और को कैसे ही बता
No, no,
पाएंगे?
Maz, it's changing.
Yeah, it's changing.
Luckily,
it's,
it is
it's getting better
Yeah.
now.
Yes.
Sun protection is very important.
The only way why people are giving up, but now we have excellent formulations, is one, it causes acne. So you can apply gel base to not have acne. Second, it causes a white cast. Now you have chemical sunscreens and it does not cause a white cast. And third, it makes your skin a little oily or greasy.
Right.
But you have excellent formulations which will not make it that.
Right.
So there is no avoiding
Like,
sunscreen.
we have sunscreen for every skin concern. अब बस आपको अगर बहाना चाहिए तो फिर आप नहीं लगा सकते. प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन तो है आपके पास.
Yeah, true that.
So last episode में we have Dr. Samriddhi, and she gave a very interesting cue कि वो रात को भी sunscreen लगाती है, and it's really helping her. So what are your thoughts about it?
So it depends on person to person. People who have night shifts or working in blue lights or using a laptop or using a screen or with the lights on, they can apply sunscreen. People who have the light off, they don't need to apply sunscreen.
But do you think it helps? Like,
For the blue light, yes, but it's not absolutely mandatory.
Like adding to it, like if we are indoors and we are supposedly not in front of any kind of direct sunlight,
Yeah.
then it's important in daytime also to apply sunscreen.
Yes, absolutely. So even if it is a rainy season,
Yeah.
the sun rays do pass through the clouds.
Okay.
Even if there is a window, you will see the light inside. So sun is a big factor. There is an infrared light. Sun का काम है infrared जो हमारे body को warm करता है. The second is a UV radiation. That is basically the one that is causing all of this cancer and other things, and this is harmful. And the third thing is basically a wavelength which is not very important. So that there are different wavelengths.
A, B, and C, I think. So C
Yes,
also.
C is not,
No, not that
we don't talk about C much, but other wavelengths are too important, and you need to apply sunscreen in all of them.
Basically, सर्दी, गर्मी and बरसात जो भी मौसम हो,
Anything.
you
आपको
have to
लगाना है
apply
sunscreen.
It has to be 365 days in a year.
Yeah, that is
so
very
I'll tell you a
cannot
very interesting incident. हमारा office में our senior manager who is into product training,
Yeah.
he went to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. So he was very surprised कि during the training, it was a long training, पूरे दिन चलती है. तो that girl वो 4 घंटे बाद ट्यूब निकाल के आप सनस्क्रीन लगा रही थी. तो he came back and he said कि their awareness is at different level.
Yes, that's true.
और he was quite surprised also कि मतलब she was so diligent about it कि वो 4 घंटे में या 3 घंटे में वापस लगाया. So 3 बार लगाया पूरे दिन में. So he was very surprised कि that's why when people ask me this question कि where do you see skincare industry in India, तो I always tell them कि अभी तो हमने अभी चलना भी नहीं शुरू किया है. हमने तो we have just taken birth and we have just started crawling. So we have a long way to go in terms of skincare.
That's a very interesting thing that you're saying. So we conducted a research study on the same things, and we understood कि Indian population में कितने लोग second time sunscreen लगाते हैं. In a day 2 बार sunscreen लगाते हैं, और कितने Indian population 1 बार sunscreen लगाता है, और कितना Indian population 0 time लगाता ही नहीं है. You see 0 times is the most.
Of course.
You see 1 time is also big.
I'm not surprised.
But
yeah.
But you know how much percentage applies for the second time in India? You will be shocked to know.
Hardly any.
It's 9% of the entire population.
That's a big number. I wasn't
Yeah.
expecting even this
Yeah,
many.
really.
Yeah.
But we did not choose the entire crowd. We chose like the most.
Your focus group.
Yeah, the focus group
Ah.
who are attending dermat clinics.
Still, it was
Imagine.
9%.
Yeah, just 9% who are applying second time.
I to have surgery all the time to make back.
That's good.
That is the reason, because it's very important.
Yeah.
If I'm applying it, then for example, cream-based sunscreen or gel-based sunscreen, and I've on the go, I always use a spray sunscreen. It's easy to apply for me. I got these questions also, यार कि मुंह गंदा हो रखा है हमारा, second day apply करना है, हमें धोने का time नहीं, तो हम क्या करें? Choose a different version of sunscreen.
Yeah,
आपको
absolutely,
stick, you
yes.
can use stick if you don't want to apply cream जो चिपचिप हो जाए आपके चेहरे पे, और spray ले लो, stick ले लो, powder ले लो. Protection
Absolutely
तो मिलेगी
yes.
आपको.
Absolutely yes.
Dr. Urvi, tell me how to apply sunscreen. You said 2 fingers, but कैसे लगाना है? Let's be a little more elaborate.
When we talk about 2 fingers, आपको बस एक finger से half face पे सिर्फ dots लगाने हैं
हाँ,
and just spread it.
ठीक है.
Keep it for a minute or two. It will get absorbed. वो अपने आप absorb करेगी. You don't have to rub. You don't have to massage. Just even out and spread it. That's how you should apply sunscreen.
I have seen people who say so fine. Like,
No, that's not a way of applying it. You can dab it. You should not rub it. You can just dab it.
dabbing is the way. Good way.
Is the very good.
So thank you so much, Maz. One important thing which I have learned कि skincare is very important for boys, and we should focus more on boys. We should have more boys, young boys, good-looking boys like him on our. We'll be using them as influencers more, so that boys should also understand the importance of sunscreen.
Absolutely.
As well as skincare. It's
Skincare,
important.
that's much
It's not vanity. It's not about looking good. It's important for their skin health, right? And Dr. Urvi, it was amazing talking to you. You were just wonderful.
It's likewise. It's always good to meet you.
So stay tuned for our next podcast, which is on pigmentation.